Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we are going to see how to recover, let's say when the link comes up, the event, is it going to record? Because I figured that when the problem recovers, Zabbix fails to send the webhook to the event-driven Ansible server. So let's test it. Let's test it to see. So Zabbix will be able to pick the alert or pick the event from our infrastructure, but then it will not be able to send it to the event-driven Ansible server. So as you can see, nothing is happening over here. We are supposed to also see a payload because now there's an event in our infrastructure where the link has been restored, and you're supposed to see an event, but there's nothing happening here. So when we go back to Zabbix, Zabbix should restore this in a few minutes. So let me pause the video and come back when Zabbix is, resolves the issue. Okay, so it seems it worked because I already have the bug fixed. So I modified the code in the event-driven Ansible media type to get it working. But then if I go to my history over here, I go to history and search for NNI. I'm trying to get the error. Yes, so this is the error. So there was actually something wrong with the code that I had to figure it out. Wasn't that easy, but I managed to do something. Where is it? So this is it. So for the explanation for it, I gave a detailed explanation account for it over here. So where is it? Let's say event-driven Ansible. So I explained everything here just for you to understand how it works. So what I did was that okay, so let me end the video here, and in my next video, I will show you how I went about it. Thank you for watching this video.